You having fun yet?
Are you stripping off my head? Oh, no wonder.
Yeah.
Several days later. Much later.
Yeah, everyone's being... backing up. Still backing up against traffic. The
One eternity later.
Now followed by Mr. Takashi Ishihara, Deputy Consul General of Japanese
What program do you use? That's awesome. That's awesome. Love it. Me too. Honestly, like everyone uses e-sprite and like I don't know how to use this. Yeah, no. But
it's very easy. Once I thought Flickr, it's real Photoshop.
yeah. Is this square on sale? It's mine now? Oh, okay. I was like trying to grab this like 3 times, dude. Yeah, that works. Hi.
Hi.
Look into my boobs.
Hi, all these boobs. Alright, I'm gonna go back now.
Okay, good luck. I'll see you.
Thanks.
It's always good seeing you.
I know, good seeing you too.
Yeah, you take care. Bye.
You know what? I downloaded that game. Never got to play it, but I keep getting thirst traps on Instagram.
I was
All
gonna
the
say,
characters.
you don't even need to play it. You just scroll on Instagram.
Instagram.
Yep, you'll know the stories.
I'll get Gojo, and then I'll get Silas.
You have a theme going right now. You have the white hair theme. You picked the good one, so it's okay. I made it outside because I didn't want it on my shirt anymore.
You can start and record from that. Just you
It didn't work, so I just. But like,
can start recording and stop recording from this alone.
yeah,
There's a button.
there's a button down here.
Okay. All these boobs.
Oh my god. Where did you get that?
Takoyaki from the takoyaki store.
Oh, you didn't have to go all the way in there. I thought Nigeria.
That's not good.
It's okay, because I know there's a huge ass. Oh, it's not. But
There was no one there.
dope. Yeah, it was.
Like I was doing.
Takoyaki. I'm in there too. Oh, it's hot. It's moving. Yes. Oh my god, I miss Japan. I want to go back now. Oh, I should have some.
Remember to charge them.
Yeah. Hello.
Hello.
Scroll chart.
Got it.
What you need?
Flying Pikachu. So P. Please and thank you. And finally, just if you could finish that up for me, please. Perfect.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You as well. Enjoy the festival. Stay hydrated.
Will do.
Bye.
You too, though.
Every time I take a bite or try to, someone comes up.
Yeah.
It's a thing. It's a thing. When customers, all you have to do is eat. Hello.
Oh, yeah, I got my. You see that painting on the wall?
Hey, look, I'm so happy I got a chunky doggo. Looking at me.
Did you ask to take a photo?
Oh, of course. You think I'm a heathen?
Yes. Stare into his dead eyes. Oh my god.
Yes. Chunky doggo.
Hello. There's Daya. Yay. Pat, 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 pat. She's busy. And finally, just if you could finish that up for me, please. Perfect.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You as well. Enjoy the festival. Stay hydrated.
Hey, why is it trying to fight the cop car?
That's what I was. That's why I shot it. Sure. Which one did you want? You just grab it. So it's one for 12 or two for 20. Ooh, that milk is good.
This is a dangerous game, and especially with the beer, we're like, oh, it's even more dangerous. Yeah, we're like, yeah, treat
Just
yourself.
get it. You deserve it.
Like, we work really hard.
Exactly. You guys okay?
Yeah. Did you hear that?
I have it on camera. You guys good though, right? He didn't do anything.
I was
Okay.
like, pushed her away.
Smart.
Thank you.
That was weird. If you see a coordinator, let them know.
Okay.
He's gone. Yeah. Well, just be careful, you guys. There was a guy that's just harassing people.
Oh.
Yeah. I caught it on camera. So, yeah, just now.
What was he doing?
He was just like going up to people and like saying weird things like, you remind me of my daughter or something like that. But he's doing it in a very like creepy way. And now he's like going up to other people. I think they're fine. 6 o'clock. Okay, this has to go into a bag. Not yet? Okay. Woo! Do them when I'm home this weekend so I can put in my order. Yeah, the top one. The top one has to go upside down because the down here, these things are pushing it up. There's something that's there. Yes. I'm not gonna risk it. I'm not gonna get in trouble for that. Nope. Nope, 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 nope. Not at all.
The same thing as it's the same thing if I give you money.
You have a rubber band for this? I just have to.
Wait, where are you?
I'm in mini art.
Get that money, girl.
Yeah, how was today for you?
Better than last Saturday, I'll tell you that.
No, I felt so bad for you guys. It was really like tragic.
I think a lot of people, like half the vendors, just rage quit.
Did you come on Sunday?
No.
Okay, yeah.
Hell no, dude. I was like, nope. I'm good. I'm good.
There was a lot of people here today. I think because like they know it was really bad, and I don't know how you guys feel, but I thought it was nice of what the festival did by posting their little thing, because
I love them so much.
You guys like get the brunt of all of that. So
I mean, it's a total loss for everyone, honestly. So it's just like, I get it, and you never see any other event that does that.
no,
That's crazy.
Yeah. Like what's going on with Fandom Con right now?
Ha.
Can you some snacks so I don't have to buy them tomorrow?
Honey? Oh, you can take that one.
Oh, yeah.
Which one do you want? Go, honey. Do you want barbecue or you want puffs?
I brought it to you. And then your turn tomorrow.
Here. You want these two? We're good.
Want them now.
Got it. Thank you. Your hair's sticking up. You're so pretty. You're like alfalfa.
Because we think.
Damn, you guys were here all day?
Yeah.
Damn. Say hi to my camera.
Oh, wait. I have the mic from that.
Nice! Oh, we didn't bring our mics.
And
Oh.
the gimbal is that brand too. Wait.
I'm like, eh. Oh, snap. Something fell out. We were Do you want me to grab the tablecloth now? Yeah. Okay. I could do this during Fanime too. Probably do that. I can probably do this during Fanime as well. Worry about the numbers another time. I'm trying to figure out, while I do this, what I need to do for Fanime. That's all.